people, I'm Lupe. I hope you're having a beautiful day so far. Today I'm showing you how to turn any eyeshadow into some gorgeous eyeliner. All you need for this is some bomb ass eyeshadow. It can be the darkest of darkest colors to the lightest of nice beautiful pastel colors. Before I get started on this eyeliner tutorial, I really want to give a shout out to those of you who commented on my previous video. So special shout out to my beautiful Xoxo Raw. I believe I might be saying the name wrong, but I love you, girl. Thank you so much for being a part of my hashtag notification squad. If you want to be a part of my squad, girl, what are you doing? Go ahead and click that notification bell down below to get notified of when I do post new videos and be one of the first to watch them. That is so rude. Let's just go ahead and start the tutorial right now. I've already prepped my eyes with eyeshadow primer and set with translucent powder, so now I'm first taking Soul, a light lavender eyeshadow with a satin finish, and placing this eyeshadow on and above my crease. Blend back and forth, and as you're blending, make sure to also blend upward towards your brow. I use the same eyeshadow one more time, though now I'm only placing this color on the crease, making it significantly darker than the rest. As you can tell, it's a lot more smoky near my brow, so that's what we want. This definitely helps create depth as well. Next, with a mini round brush, I'm taking Dreamer, a light warm gold peach eyeshadow with a metallic finish, and using this as my brow highlight. Following my brow highlight, I'm taking Celestial, a warm purple eyeshadow with a sparkle finish. This reminds me of that brown Too Faced eyeshadow I previously talked about in my last video. This is probably my least favorite eyeshadow in the palette. On a scale of maybe 1 to 10, 10 being the best, I would give this a 5, and it really comes down to application. As you can tell, every time I brushed or blended outward, the color would completely disappear, so why did I still use it? I didn't want to use the other eyeshadows as a lid color or use any eyeshadow from a different palette. It's really quite unfortunate though, because the color is really gorgeous and it looks really nice once the look is complete, but it's really hard to work with. Next, I'm using Drama, a dark plum with a sparkle finish, and cutting the crease with a flat eyeliner brush. I do find that this is the easiest way to cut the crease without concealer, especially when creating a monochromatic look. This is also one of the first times in a while that I didn't realize I wasn't filming. It really is such a rookie mistake, but basically go back to the light lavender eyeshadow to further blend out the cut crease, and then take a smaller definer brush to define the crease. Now, how to turn any eyeshadow into eyeliner. The big secret here is setting spray. All you need to do is dip your brush in the desired shade and spray 1 to 2 pumps, and that's it. It's very simple, easy, fun. The possibilities are really endless. Just make sure to use a really good pigmented eyeshadow and you're good to go. Also, a tip for those of you who want colorful eyeliner on your waterline, use a white eyeliner and then put on any eyeshadow over it. That's it. Once again, super easy, and you don't have to spend so much money buying individual colored eyeliners. I want a pop of sparkle near my tear duct, so I'm taking this baby blue lavender glitter and glitter glue and lightly patting the glitter, patting first near the inner corner and then spreading it upward and out. Next, I'm taking my current favorite lashes, Natalia, or Natalia for all of my Spanish homegirls out here right now. Finishing off with mascara. I feel like I haven't been on my A game with mascara lately. Like, look, I totally missed my outer baby lashes. What is wrong with me? But alrighty, my loves, this is the completed look. I love how the purple eyeliner really brings the look together, and I hope you do too. Go ahead and try this out yourself, and if you do, don't forget to tag me at Lupe Metro. Check out my other tutorials for more inspiration, and I will see you again later on this week. Have a beautiful day, my loves. Mwah.